Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss system privacy and networks, safeguarding your digital world. In today's interconnected world, where data flows seamlessly through networks and systems, ensuring privacy and security has become paramount. Whether you are an individual or a business entity, understanding the principles of system privacy and network security is crucial to safeguarding your digital world. This article explores the fundamentals of system privacy and networks along with best practices to protect your data and sensitive information. Understanding system privacy. System privacy refers to the protection of personal or confidential data stored on devices, servers, or any computing infrastructure. This includes computers, smartphones, servers, and other digital equipment. Here are some key aspects to consider. Number 1. Data encryption. Encryption your data ensures that even if unauthorized access occurs, the data remains unreadable. Employ robust encryption techniques for data at rest and in transit. Number 2. Access control. Implement strict access controls to limit who can access your systems and data. Use strong, unique passwords and multi-factor authentication for added security. Number 3. Regular updates and patch management. Keep your operating systems and software up to date. Cybercriminals often target vulnerabilities in outdated systems. Number 4. Firewalls and intrusion detection systems. Install firewalls and intrusion detection systems to monitor network traffic for suspicious activity and block potential threats. Number 5. Data backup and recovery. Regularly backup your data and establish a disaster recovery plan to ensure data availability in case of a system failure or cyber attack. Network security. Network server Networks serve as backbone of modern communication and data exchange. Ensuring their security is essential to protect your digital assets. Here, how to fortify your network. Number 1. Firewalls. Employ firewalls at the perimeter of your network to filter incoming and outgoing traffic. Configure them to allow only authorized traffic and block potential threats. Number 2. Virtual Private Network (VPN). Use VPN to establish secure connection over public networks. This encryption layer ensures the confidentiality of data transmitted between network nodes. Number 3. Intrusion Detection and Prevention System (IDPs). Monitor network traffic for unusual patterns or malicious activity. It can automatically respond to threats by blocking or isolating compromised devices. Number 4. Regular auditing and monitoring. Continuously monitor network traffic and conduct security audits to identify vulnerabilities and potential breaches. Number 5. Employee training. Educate your staff about best practices in network security, including recognizing phishing emails and avoiding risky online behavior. Number 6. Security policies. Develop and enforce network security policies that clearly define acceptable use, access control, and incident response procedures. Number 7. Segmentation. Divide your network into segments or zones, each with its security controls. This limits the potential damage a breach can cause by isolating compromised segments. Best practices for system privacy and network security. Number 1. Regularly update software. Keep all software and firewall up to date to patch vulnerabilities. Number 2. Use strong passwords and MFA. Create complex, unique passwords and enable multi-factor authentication wherever possible. Number 3. Encrypt sensitive data. Implement encryption for sensitive data at rest and in transit. Number 4. Backup data. Regularly backup data and test the restoration process. Educate users. Train employees and users about cybersecurity awareness and safe online practices. Number 6. Implement and security incident response plan. Prepare for security incidents with a well-defined response plan. Number 7. Regular security audits. Conduct periodic security assessment and penetration tests to identify weaknesses. In conclusion, system privacy and network security are critical components of today's digital landscape. By implementing robust measures, staying informed about emerging threats, and fostering a security conscious culture, you can protect your digital assets and data from potential breaches and cyber attacks. Remember that cybersecurity is an ongoing process and staying vigilant is key to maintaining a secure digital environment. Network security is crucial in today's digital world, where the flow of data and information is constant. Implementing strong network security measures offers several significant advantages. Number 1. Data protection. Network security safeguards sensitive and confidential data from unauthorized access, ensuring that valuable information remains secure. Number 2. Prevention of unauthorized access. Network security measures such as firewalls, access controls, and authentication mechanism prevent unauthorized users from gaining access to network resources. Number 3. Data integrity. Network security helps maintain the integrity of data by protecting it from unauthorized modification, ensuring that data remains accurate and reliable. Number 4. Availability. Robust network security measures help ensure the availability of network resources and services by defending against distributed denial of services, attacks, and other threats. Networks remains operational. Number 5. Business continuity. In the event of cyber attacks or system failure, network security strategies often include disaster recovery and backup plans. This ensures that critical business operations can continue despite adverse events. Compliance with regulation. Many industries and organizations are subject to regulatory requirements concerning data security and privacy. Network security helps meet these compliance obligations, avoiding legal consequences and fines. Number 8. Reduction in security incidents. Strong network security measures reduce the likelihood of security incidents such as data breaches, which can be costly and damaging to an organization's reputation. Thank you for watching our video. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.